It's said to be a $61 billion industry, but the effectiveness of some herbal supplements remains in question. Americans rely upon them to help manage depression, common colds, and fatigue, among other issues. The Attorney General's test included 78 samples of herbal products. The results raised concerns.
My dad was an incredible guy. He was just the most mellow.
Shelley Martin remembers her dad, Murray Burke, as an active man before he was diagnosed with prostate cancer in 1996. After exploring various treatment plans, Burke decided to try herbal medicine under the supervision of his doctors at Sloan Kettering.
And it was working really well at first, and his prostate cancer was looking pretty good.
Suddenly, Burke's cancer spread to his stomach and became resistant to all treatments. The reason? His herbal supplements were contaminated with pharmaceutical drugs. Knowing the possible deadly consequences of contaminated herbal supplements, Shelley paid close attention to the Attorney General's announcement this week that common herbal supplements are mislabeled or contaminated with other plants. GNC on 125th Street was one of the stores whose supplements were tested. The chain has removed the questioned herbal supplements from its New York shelves, but they remain available for purchase online.
Let's move on with the time we got left to our
Proponents of herbal medicine, like Richard Mandelbaum, say that contamination is not the norm.
You know, my best advice for people in terms of if this story has made you nervous that maybe you're taking placebo pills or something adulterated. Again, that's less common, I think, than what these findings have found.
The FDA regulates herbal supplements, but companies do not have to prove the products are safe before selling them. Instead, they are subject to ongoing FDA testing after they are on the market. But how does a consumer choose a safe herbal product?
As a consumer, you should be looking for is that the product is manufactured to GMP standards, which stands for Good Manufacturing Process, and that will be on the website of the company or it will be on the label. The second tip is to look for the word standardized.
Standardized means that every batch of the supplement is made in the same way using the same ingredients.
The cheats tip is check if your company's sold in Europe, because then you can see if they've already passed the test there.
The European Union requires that herbal supplement manufacturers prove the products are safe and effective before selling them.
And it's just such a shame that he didn't live to see his grandchildren, get married and have children.
Shelley settled a lawsuit in 2006 against the manufacturer of the herbal supplement responsible for the death of her father, but she remembers him for so much more.
He loved dogs, he loved life, he loved to play golf. He just really was a happy, nice guy.
The herbalists I spoke with say they welcome testing to make sure products are safe, but they question whether the Attorney General's testing method was appropriate. They also agree that the best consumer practice is to consult with your doctor or an herbalist before taking any supplement. Hillary?
Thanks, Lydia.